Let's dive into division. 348 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting math quest. Alright team, let's start dividing 348 by 2. First up, we look at the digit 3. We don't have any digits to carry over, so we'll use the 3 as our first partial. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2, write that down. Now we subtract, 3 minus 2 equals 1, we have a remainder of 1. Great job, you're doing awesome, give yourselves a high five. We've got a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the next digit 4 to make 14. Now we're working with 14, looking good. We bring down the 4 from 348 to join our remainder 1, making it 14. How many times does 2 go into 14? It's exactly 7 times. Let's multiply 7 times 2 equals 14. Perfect. Subtracting 14 from 14 leaves us with 0. No remainder this time. You're crushing it, this is looking super easy now, right? We have no remainder, so let's bring down the last digit 8 to make our next partial. Last step team, we're looking at the number 8. We bring down the 8 to join our remainder 0, making it just 8. How many times does 2 fit into 8? You got it, 4 times. Check our work, 4 times 2 is 8, exactly what we need. Subtract 8 from 8 and we get 0. We're all done. Woohoo, you solved it, you're math superstars. And that's it, we've divided 348 by 2. The answer is 174. And the big reveal, 348 divided by 2 is 174. We did it, math whizzes. We tackled 348 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, every division problem is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. Keep practicing and you'll be a division master in no time. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to check out more awesome math adventures right here on Let's Stud. See you next time.